Good morning student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation video of digestive system. In previous video already we have studied about that the alimentary canal which is start from mouth and end in the anus. We have studied about the mouth. In the mouth contain the tongue, teeth and salivary gland, or as you know student, the esophagus. Esophagus is the tube-like structure. With the help of esophagus, see, this is the part of esophagus. This esophagus is tube-like structure and it passes the food from mouth to the stomach. The esophagus, there is no secrete any enzymes in it, but only the main function by the process of peristalsis, the contraction, rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the muscles, and passes the bolus from mouth to the stomach. Already we have studied about that in my previous video, and in this video we are going to study about the main part of digestive system is stomach. Let us see student. The stomach is very important part in our digestive system. Stomach is an elastic bag. It is a elastic bag like structure and it is present below the diaphragm. Diaphragm is the part of our respiratory system and the stomach is present below the diaphragm. Got it? The location of stomach and the structure. The structure, it is an elastic bag, J-shaped stomach, and it is location in below the diaphragm. Got it student? Stomach is very important part of our digestive systems. The food which is enter in the stomach, the food is a stay 3 hours in the stomach. Means the only the stomach, the food is contained, food is a stay in the large amount of time. Got it? Let us see. The stomach is very important. The stomach have a two sphincter muscle. One is present in opening of the stomach and another is present the end of the stomach, means the opening which is present in between the small intestine and stomach, and this opening in between the esophagus and stomach. This opening, these muscles is called as the esophageal sphincter. It is also called as cardiac sphincter. What is the main function of this muscle? The main function of this muscle, it prevents the backflow of the food. Because why? It is a acidic in medium. So it prevent, this sphincter is prevent the backflow of the food into the esophagus. And the pyloric sphincter which is present in between the esophagus and stomach. These muscles is called as the pyloric muscle. And what is the main function of pyloric muscle? It is also prevent to backflow of the food into the small intestine into the stomach. Got it student? Now let us start the study of stomach. Stomach is an elastic bag and the stomach, the lining of the stomach is present the gland. This is the lining of stomach, present the gland. This gland is called as the gastric gland. It is very important gland and these glands secreted the gastric juice. The gastric juice, it composition of elements like it is the some substance like HCl, pepsin and mucus. The three composition in the gastric juice. Got it student? Gastric juice which is secreted by the gastric gland, and the gastric juice is a composition of HCl, pepsin and mucus. See the one by one. What is the function of HCl? When the food is enter from esophagus to the stomach, when the food is present in the esophagus, it is called as a bolus. When it enter into the stomach, it react with the acid HCl. HCl, the main function, I told you HCl, pepsin and mucus. First we see HCl. The main function of HCl, it is acidic in medium. Whatever germs which is enter in the stomach along with the food, First upon, the HCl kill the germs which is present in the food, and the HCl convert the acidic medium in the food. And what is the another main function of HCl? HCl means C. Pepsin is an enzyme which is present in the stomach, but first it is present in pepsinogen. It is a inactive in form. Pepsinogen enzymes which is present in the stomach, it is a inactive in form, but when the stomach acidic in medium, it convert the pepsinogen into the pepsin. And main function of pepsin, it digests the protein. Whatever food we eat, it contain the protein minerals, and these protein minerals is digested by the pepsin. In salivary gland secrete the amylase enzyme, I told you, and these enzymes are digest the carbohydrate, and in the stomach secrete the pepsin, and pepsin it convert the protein, digest the protein and convert into the peptides. Got it, student? What is the main function of HCl? HCl, there are two main function. First, to kill the germs, and second, to activate the pepsin enzyme. Understood? Second important enzyme which is present in the gastric juice, which is secreted by the gastric gland, is a pepsin. What is the main function of pepsin? It digest the protein and convert the protein into the peptides. Got it? And third secretion which is contained in the gastric juice is a mucus. Mucus, it present in the lining of the stomach. And what is the main function? It prevent the wall of stomach. Why? Because when the acid secreted in the stomach, the acidic in medium, these acid destroy the wall of stomach, and the mucus, it is the present lining of the stomach, and this mucus is prevent the destroy the lining of the stomach from HCl. Got it, student? What is the stomach? The stomach is the elastic sac-like structure. It is the main part of our digestive system. It is present in below the diaphragm. There are two sphincter muscles, two opening have a stomach. The front end opening is called as the cardiac sphincter. It is also called as the esophageal sphincter, and the end opening is called as the pyloric sphincter. These both sphincter muscle is prevent the backflow of the food. Got it? And the lining of the stomach have a gland. This gland is called as gastric gland. The gland which is secreted the gastric juice, and gastric juice is a composition of HCl, pepsin and mucus. Three substance is help to digest the foods. When the food enter into the stomach, it is present in the esophagus, it is a bolus, and when it enter into the stomach, it is convert in the liquid form. This is called as the chyme. CHIME, chyme. This is a pulp like, and the food stay in stomach for about 3 hours. Attain the pulp like form is called as the chyme. Got it, student? The inner lining secreted the three gastric juice, and gastric juice is a composition of pepsin, HCl and mucus. HCl, it is very important. It kill the germs which enter along with the food. Second, it is activate the pepsinogen into the pepsin. Pepsin, it is an enzyme. It a main function to digest the protein. The protein is converted into the peptide. And mucus, it is secreted in inner lining of the stomach, and it is prevent the inner lining of the stomach from acidic in medium. Got it, student? What is the structure of stomach and what is the main function of stomach? In the small intestine, most of the digestion is completed in the small intestine, but in the stomach is also more digestion is carried out. Got it, student? What is the digestive system? Already we have studied the digestive system is start from mouth. We have seen the mouth, then tongue, teeth, and the esophagus and stomach. Then in the next video we will study about the small intestine. Small intestine, it is the main part of our digestive system. Understood, student? Thank you.